Hey guys, it's me Shojib and welcome back to my channel UI Creatives. In this video, I will show you how to create this type of UI design in Figma. So let's. Okay guys, first of all we create a frame. In this video we use MacBook Pro 40 inch and then we resize it and we change background color and now we create our logo. You can see what kind of logo I am using. Simply I am create a logo time. Okay, then place it perfectly, change the font and font. Okay, I am simply create a logo, then we place it. Okay, you can see that the ruler is 100 for 28. Then we are simply adjust it our logo. This is our logo, you can see that. Okay guys, then we are manually add our another ruler. You can see this ruler we are use our consistency maintain, that's why. Then we are writing our navigation content like demo, then duplicate it and block page contract and about. Okay, then we change our font and font type. Okay, roboto navigation 24. Okay, then we adjust it alignment perfectly and 60 is 62. Okay, then place it perfectly. Okay, then we create another a button. Font, change the font is roboto and simply create auto layout. Then we create an a button. Our color is, you can see color code and how to create a button, you can see that. Okay, then we create a button alignment. You can see that we are use a. Okay, then we duplicate it and create another button, that is signing. Okay, then we are adjust our this and this. Okay, and this. Okay, I think 18 is good. Then we are simply aligned everything 60, good. Okay, we are change our button size, button font size. Okay, then we are create another button color is white and font color is black. Okay, done. Simply add a shadow and corner radius is 8. Okay, simply align everything. Okay, align this. Okay, okay, now we are align this perfectly. Okay, everything we are select and create our auto frame. Okay, then align everything perfectly and okay, auto layout everything, shift plus a auto layout. Okay, Then we have places. 32 is, you can see that. Okay, corner radius is 4. Okay, then we write our heading. You can see what font is popping. Then we duplicate it. Font size is 24 and duplicate it and writing our heading 2, heading 1. You can see, take your time and work quickly. Okay, then we are increase font size and okay, then we its weight is bold. Okay, $86. Okay, then place it and now duplicate. 22 is good font size. Then we duplicate it and write our paragraph. Write a paragraph. You can see that. Okay, then adjust everything and align everything. You can duplicate for everything. Okay, we are done. Then we create another rectangle. This is a button. Corner radius is 4 and fill color is white. Fill color is white. Okay, then we add a effect drop shadow and then we are writing enter your email address. Okay, font is Roboto and we are align everything. Then we create another rectangle, same size, you can see, and corner radius is 4 and color is, you can see what color we are used. Then we are writing sign up. Okay, then align, center align everything. Okay, then everything perfectly place. We change corner radius. You can see that because of this corner and this corner are not perfectly aligned, that's why we are change this to shape to rectangle corner radius. You can see that adjust. Okay, then align everything and group everything by this Ctrl+G group, and then we are adjust our drop shadow. Okay, then we are align 48 is good. Okay, then we are simply adjust paragraph color. Paragraph color is black for 75. Okay, then we are simply add a auto layout. Okay, then we are adjust everything. Okay, done. Then we select pen tool and create a S shape. You can see how to I am create a S shape. You can see that simply create a S shape. Okay, then we adjust this S shape perfectly. Okay, then we stroke size is 60 and color is linear, and we select a linear color. You can choose your own color. Okay, we are perfectly adjust everything. Create 3D line for Figma. You can see that we are create a 3D line in Figma. You can see how to create this we adjust our this line by this shape, you can see. Okay, then adjust everything perfectly. Okay, done. Then we are at a linear shadow, and shadow x minus 45, and then we are select fill color. uh, you can see that. Then we are increase blur amount. Now you can see that this is a 3D, a 3D line shape, you can see that. Then adjust everything. Now we are simply adjust everything, not many work, you can see that. Then duplicate it and adjust. Duplicate this shape and adjust, and change the linear color and drop shadow color. This is the process, you can see that. We are this process we are increase speed because of this video too long, that's why. Okay, then we are align everything perfectly. Wow, this is very nice. Okay, then we are write another things. All shape, all kit, all UI kit I am giving you for in my description box. You are download everything and practice your own. So thank. Okay, then we are write another thing. No credit card requirement, and perfectly align everything and change the color fill. You can see this color fill we are use, and font everything we are adjust now. Then align everything. Okay, now align everything. We are increase. Okay, then now select and duplicate and write as 40-day free use. Okay, then align everything and perfectly adjust everything. You can see, you can follow this process to create this type of website. Okay, then simply we are adjust everything. That's how we are speed up this process. Then we are duplicate this whole frame, and then we create another type of shape. Simply we create another type of shape, not change everything, you can see. Okay, then we are create another stylish shape. Okay, you can see we are create simply another stylish shape. You can create this own type. I am create my type, you can see. Okay, then we are adjust, we are add new linear color. Then these forces are same for fast forces. You can see that. Simply we are change every shape color and then align everything and perfectly place everything. Then we are duplicate another duplicate, then we are create another shape. Circle is not perfectly, that's why we are delete circle. Then we are create our another different shape, simply horizontally. Okay, then we are align everything. Okay, then we are create another shape. Okay, then we are then now we now phototype. Then we simply add this, no, simply add this and animation. You can see a smart animation. Okay, time is in. Okay, then name, simply add every frame. Okay, simply setting is same. Then we are place it. Okay, okay, done. You can see that what kind of animation I am create for this website. Thank you everyone watching this video.